Hey guys, I accidentally did a video for 43 or 45 seconds, but then I accidentally hit like the decline thing. So I'm gonna be doing like a staircase up to this tree right now. So I will see you after the staircase is done, I guess. And this may take a little bit, but it will take like a second for you. So see you. Okay guys, I did all my stairs and I'm doing my fencing right now. And Parker was gonna do something in my world and I didn't let her know. She helped me. She said no. We're disconnected. And I told her to go in her own world, which she did now. She hasn't helped me place any of these fences. And
and you didn't help me either.
Yeah, because I was in the bathroom. Getting checked.
Oh, it didn't work. No, literally, it didn't work.
Or she has to have a special mod.
I know. Or
Oh, yes.
do it like this. This may actually work. Will work.
So I'll see you guys back when I'm gonna start the little ladder thing over there.
And this will work. Yeah.
Okay, guys, I just finished. It took like 2 minutes. Maybe.
Me too. Alright, I'm gonna show the girls this picture now.
I'll be right back when my ladder is finished.
Okay.